Hi, gardening buddies. This COVID-19 lockdown, people made many things useful for their lives because we stayed home, and I am one of them. Since gardening is one of my hobbies, I planted different types of seeds like watermelon, squash, tomatoes, cauliflower, and pepper. And luckily, they all grew into healthy seedlings. But days became warmer and some of their leaves dried up. So, what I did was I made a kind of comparative study. I water some of them with water broth, or this water from rice, twice a day, and the rest of them I just left them without watering. Only I watered them with plain water. And it had a very amazing effect on my other plants, and I'm gonna show them to you in a little while. So now you can see the new leaves are coming out, and they are replacing the dried up leaves. Look at that. After 2 weeks of watering them with rice broth, the dried leaves are replaced by fresh ones, and it's growing healthier because of the rice water. I water them with rice water, and look at them. They look very healthy, and look at the leaves. They look so fresh as compared to those plants that were not watered with rice water. This one on the left, I did not water this with rice water, but the other one on the right, they have the same. They are of the same variety, but when you look at the leaves, the one which is watered with rice water is healthier, and the leaves are shiny, and they are bigger. It's really amazing that without fertilizer, and only this rice water it makes plants healthier. So, friends, what are you waiting for? Use rice water for your plants. It's really effective. I vouch on that. Bye. See you again.